You're hustling to get your taxes filed before the deadline, and suddenly you get an email that looks like it's from the IRS. It says your refund is on hold and you need to click a link to fix it. Panic sets in. You click. And just like that, a scammer has your social security number, bank info, and maybe your entire refund. This isn't a what if. It's happening right now to taxpayers all over the country. Every year, tax season brings out the worst scams. Tricks designed to prey on confusion, urgency, and the hope of quick refunds. To help you steer clear, here are the top 7 tax scams you must avoid in 2025. 1. Phishing and smishing scams. Fake IRS emails and texts claim there's a problem with your taxes and try to steal your info. Remember, the IRS never contacts you by email or text. Don't click suspicious links. 2. Bad tax advice on social media. Those viral secret loopholes promising huge refunds? They're often traps leading to fraudulent returns and big penalties. Always trust licensed pros, not random online tips. 3. Fake IRS account assistance. Some scammers pretend to help you set up your IRS online account, but really they're after your login info to commit fraud. Set up your account yourself at irs.gov. 4. Fake charities. Fake charities pop up, especially after disasters, trying to steal your donations and personal info. Always verify charities using official IRS tools before donating. 5. False fuel tax credit claims. Scammers convince some taxpayers to claim the fuel tax credit they don't qualify for. This credit is mostly for off-road business and farming use, so double-check before you claim it. 6. Bogus self-employment tax credit. There's no self-employment tax credit like some online scams claim. Many gig workers fall for this and end up in IRS audits. Check with real tax pros before claiming any new credits. 7. Fraudulent household employment tax refunds. Faking household employees to get tax refunds is a serious scam that can lead to heavy penalties. Only claim credits for actual employees. These scams are getting smarter, but knowledge is your best defense. Stay skeptical, double-check info, and always work with trusted, licensed tax professionals. Don't let scammers steal your money or your peace of mind this tax season. Stay alert, stay informed, and protect what you've worked so hard to build. Want to save real money legally? Follow our channel for practical tax advice. You can also book a free consultation with us by clicking the booking link in the description. We have helped business owners claim over $1.93 billion in tax savings through smart, expert planning. You could be next.